Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you what I took into work and ate for 3 days of in the office work. So sort of like a meal prep video. I will show you guys what I did. Day one, I have cucumbers, tomatoes, carrots, red bell peppers. I have it on a bed of spinach. And I have 2 boiled eggs that I boiled the night before. I plan to cut those up and put them on top of the salad as well. It's best to do everything the night before so you don't have to worry about it. Here I have croutons and bacon bits. Nope, they're not bacon bits. They are vegan toppings that I got off of the sale clearance rack in Safeway. I paid about $1.50 for them. They were 50% off. So it's vegan bacon bits, vegan toppings. They were actually pretty good. Yeah, they were okay. Here I have the assembled salad with everything on it. I forgot to load up the picture with the salad dressing, but it was a red wine vinaigrette salad dressing. Try to keep it light, nothing too heavy. And today was the solar eclipse day. So me and my coworkers headed up to the roof to see the half of the solar eclipse, because where we are, we did not get a chance to see the full version. But yeah, so here is me and my coworkers in our fancy glasses. Got home that day and my wonderful husband had brewed up a batch of apple beets and carrots juice, also known as ABC. We have a cold pressed juicer. I will do a video to show you guys how we prepare our juice. Here I have everything out to make dinner, and I always try to have enough dinner so that I'm able to take it to lunch tomorrow, the next day. And so I have this quinoa blend rice mixture. It was really gross, so I had to deviate from that. Broccolini. If you guys are not familiar with broccolini, get you some. I sauteed it in butter, add a bit of salt and pepper. It was so good. So yeah, I had to ditch the quinoa blend rice. It was gross, tastes like cardboard. Got it from Aldi, won't never do that again. So I decided to go with spinach, sauteed spinach. I forgot to mention, this is day 2. Along with those vegetables, I sauteed some shrimp. And remember, I ditched the quinoa rice, so I have it over a bed of spinach with the broccolini on the side. And I had the sauteed onions and red peppers and the spring onions that you saw in the picture before. And so this was day 2. I was able to so I got home. This is same day too, but the afternoon. Got home and saw these bad babies in the refrigerator. I forgot I had them. They are pickled red onions. I will show you guys how I made that. Got it off of Pinterest. And so, yeah, I assembled another salad for tomorrow, which will be day 3. And put those on there. I boiled some more eggs, cut them up, and put them on a salad. This was day 3. I did not bring in the croutons because, I forgot. And the vegan bacon bits were not as good as I said they were. So, yeah, I ditched that as well. But here's day 3. So I have 3 days of meal prep. Did not spend any money those 3 days while I went in the office at work. The only thing was I did not have any more spinach. So I had to use spring mix, which is still good because it has some pieces of spinach in it. Here I am, day 3, eating this fabulous salad. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you what I ate at the office, how I meal prepped for 3 days. Bye.